Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set stop loss on Charles Schwab app. Now this video is just for educational purpose and make sure to watch the video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is just open the Charles Schwab application inside your mobile phone and you will be seeing this pop up. So from here just click on the trade button which will be at the bottom center. Just click on the trade and once you click on trade, so you will be inside this section stocks and ETFs. So from this option you can just click on search or search for a symbol or name or enter your currency. So just click on this option and once you click here, you can just you will seeing all the recent symbols or currencies or stock markets as well. So just click on the search and search the currency. Now in our case, let's say I want to search the Amazon, so just click on Amazon and select it, amazon.com inc. And once selected, so you will be seeing this kind of options. So the first option is action. Make sure to click on select action and select your action, like do you want to send or buy or whatever your action is. And after that you can just select the quantity of shares, like how much quantity do you want to share. Order type as well, you can just click on order type and you will see all these options: trailing stop, stop limit, stop limit or market. Now you can choose whatever option now, but the preferred is like the limit and stop. You can choose these two options. These are the preferred options, and once you select it, so after that you can see the one share action is sell, quantity 1, trailing stop, trailing amount is 10%, and you can select the timing as well, like day only or like whatever you want to select. And once everything is confirmed, you can just scroll down, and once scroll down you can read these all acknowledgements as well and just click on place order. And once you click on place order, so you will see an option like this one, order received. Now that is a simple and easy process of how you can set stop loss on now that is a simple and easy process of how you can set stop loss on the Charles Schwab app.